What is NISA and what benefits do we get from starting NISA? If you are living in Japan and are thinking of doing NISA, then watch this video till the end. It may be helpful to you. Today, in this video, I will explain NISA in a very simple way. If you watch this video till the end, then you will understand everything about NISA. The full form of NISA is Nippon Individual Savings Account, and it is a tax-free investment system. This system is designed to encourage the public to invest. How does NISA work? Let me explain in a very simple way. Imagine you want to buy a stock or a share of any company. For that, you need to have a securities account. If you open a securities account, then you can buy stocks or shares of any company. When you open a securities account, there is a feature. Let's say the feature is NISA. Now, if you want to buy a stock or share of any company, you can either buy it from a NISA account or an ordinary account. What this means is that NISA is not a commodity. It is an account from which you can buy stocks, shares, ETFs, or other investment products. How can you benefit from NISA? Now, I will give an example to help you understand how we can benefit from NISA. Suppose you buy a stock or ETF from a normal account. Keep it for 5 years, and after 5 years, you make a profit of 5 million yen. Now, when you withdraw the profit, you have to pay a 20% tax to the government. However, if you have done the same thing from a NISA account, suppose you buy a stock from your NISA account, keep it for 5 years, and make a profit of 5 million yen. Then when you withdraw the money, you don't have to pay any tax on the profit to the government. So this is a tax-free investment system. In simple terms, if you buy a stock or ETF from a NISA account and make a profit, then you don't have to pay tax on the profit to the government. Are there any limitations on NISA? Now, you may think, if we don't have to pay tax on the profit from this account, then why use a normal account? A normal account is useless. It would be great if we could buy everything from a NISA account, so we wouldn't have to pay any taxes. But there are limitations to the NISA account. The amount of stock that can be bought from this account is already fixed. In 1 year, you can buy stocks worth 1.2 million yen. Apart from stocks, you can buy ETFs, mutual funds, etc., worth up to 2.4 million yen per year. Your NISA account provides tax-free investment up to 18 million yen. If your investment exceeds 18 million yen, then you have to pay tax on the exceeded amount. What is Tsumitada NISA? If you open a NISA account, buy a stock or ETF, and then continue buying it every month, one after another, then it is called Tsumitate NISA. Who is eligible for Jimilita NISA? First of all, you need to be at least 18 years old to start NISA. Secondly, if you live in Japan, have a bank account in Japan, have an address in Japan, and have a My Number in Japan, then you can start NISA. Simply put, if you can open a securities account in Japan, then you can start NISA easily. Can you open multiple NISA accounts? Now, some of you may think, I will open multiple securities accounts, and in each securities account, I will use NISA and buy stocks worth 18 million yen in each account to save taxes. But this is not possible. You can only open one NISA account. There are many platforms where you can open a securities account, and from one of these platforms, you can open a NISA account. For example, if you open a securities account from Rakuten and start NISA with it, but later you want to switch to PayPay Securities, then you can transfer your NISA account from one securities company to another once per year. Will you make a profit or loss with NISA? Before, I already mentioned that NISA is not a commodity. It is an account. By using this account, if you buy good stocks or ETFs, then you can make a profit. If you buy bad stocks or low-performing ETFs, then you may face a loss. It all depends on which stock or ETF you buy. Opening a NISA account does not guarantee profit. It all depends on your investment choices. Limitations of NISA. From a normal account, you can buy a wide variety of stocks and ETFs. From a NISA account, you can buy only limited stocks and ETFs. This is one of the limitations of NISA. How to open a NISA account? If you want to open a Rakuten Securities account and start NISA in Rakuten Securities, then I have already made a video on that. Please watch the video. If you liked my video and found it helpful, then don't forget to subscribe. I will be bringing more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching.